In this video, we are going to see top 12 MCQs from class 8. The lesson is force and pressure. This is chapter 8 in NCERT class 8 science. Let's start the quiz. First quiz. Force can be a option A, push only, option B, pull only, option C, push or pull, option D, neither push nor pull. The correct answer is option C, push or pull. Second quiz. What causes a force to arise? Option A, interaction between two objects. Option B, movement of a single object. Option C, only when objects are stationary. Option D, only when objects are touching. The correct answer is option A, interaction between two objects. Third quiz. What are the two characteristics of force? Option A, magnitude and speed. Option B, magnitude and direction. Option C, direction and acceleration. Option D, speed and acceleration. The correct answer is option B, magnitude and direction. Fourth quiz. A change in state of motion of an object implies option A constant force acting on it. Option B, no force acting on it. Option C, a changing force acting on it. Option D, a force acting on it in the direction of motion. The correct answer is option D, a force acting on it in the direction of motion. Fifth quiz. A force can act on an object. Option A, only when contact with it. Option B, only when not in contact with it. Option C, with or without being in contact with it. And option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, with or without being in contact with it. Sixth quiz. What does a change in the speed or direction of an object indicate? Option A, change in its color. Option B, change in its weight. Option C, change in its state of motion. Option D, change in its size. The correct answer is option C, change in its state of motion. Seventh quiz. Force acting on object can cause option A change in its state of motion. Option B, a change in its shape. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Eighth quiz. What happens when force is applied to an object? Option A, its state of motion remain unchanged. Option B, its shapes remain unchanged. Option C, its state of motion or shape may change. Option D, its speed increase. The correct answer is option C, its state of motion or shape may change. Ninth quiz. Which of the following is true about force? Option A, it only changes the size of an object. Option B, it can change the motion and shape of an object. Option C, it does not have a direction. Option D, force is always constant. The correct answer is option B, it can change the motion and shape of an object. 10th quiz. What is force per unit area called? Option A, speed. Option B, pressure. Option C, mass. Option D, volume. The correct answer is option B, pressure. 11th quiz. What do liquids and gases exert on walls of their containers? Option A, heat. Option B, pressure. Option C. Force without direction. Option D. Magnetism. The correct answer is option B. Pressure. What is the pressure exerted by an air around us called? Option A. Hydraulic pressure. Option B. Air pressure. Option C. Atmospheric pressure. Option D. Wind pressure. The correct answer is option C. Atmospheric pressure. That's the end of this quiz video. Please click like button if you enjoy our videos. Thank you.